No, fish is dead. Okay, let's go. Hurry up, it's dripping. Come on, hurry up, Toma. Come on. Let's go toilet, come on.
Toilet.
Come on. What happened?
Fishy died.
Did you kill the fishy?
No, you killed the fish.
No, Mommy didn't kill the fishy.
No, the food killed the fish.
Yeah, give me knife it. Don't put it in the toilet. Turn up the net. Ooh. Ooh. Stuck. Hang on. Ooh. Okay, Mommy got it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say sayonara.
Sayonara. Can I fish this?
Yeah.
Fishy. Fishy died.
Why are you smiling?
Fishy died.
It's not happy. You're supposed to cry.
No.
Cry.
No.
Oh. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. My fish died. Bye.